Ready to see your loved one's faces while you chat, no matter the distance? Learn how to easily make video calls on Viber and bring your conversations to life. Viber's video calling feature provides a great way to have more personal and engaged conversations. These calls are free between Viber users and rely on your internet connection, so they don't need your mobile's planned minutes. So, what you want to do is, from the Viber app, go to the chat of the contact where you want to make a video call. This works for group chats as well. There, by the top right, there should be the icon of a video camera. Tap on it. Before proceeding further, Viber might ask you for permission to use a camera. You need to grant access for this to work. And once you do, the call will initiate. During the call, you can tap on this button to use your back camera instead of the front one. That should be it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!